Very, a frequently used English word, adds stronger meaning to the adjective or adverb. It works as an intensifying modifier, changing its meaning after its addition. But using it too much makes your writing or speaking boring and repetitive. So, start using more appropriate words instead of very and avoid repeating it. For example, you can use gorgeous instead of very beautiful, luminous instead of very bright. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. Look at these words: happy, sad, bad, good, big, small, clean, dirt, slow. These are the words we often use with very. We use very happy, very good, very clean, very sad, very big, very dirt, very bad, very small, very slow, like that. In today's class, we are going to deal with some vocabulary which can replace the word very. See, very, so, such, really. These are called dull adjectives. We often use these words in our conversation. It's very nice, you're so good, it's such a nice dress, you're really good. These are the expressions we often use to intensify the adjective. See, very happy. Instead of very happy, we can use elated, ecstatic, thrilled, overjoyed. See the example sentence. Rani found out she is pregnant. She is happy. Or she is very happy. Instead of using happy or very happy, we can use overjoyed. She is overjoyed. Rani found out she is pregnant. She is overjoyed. Or Rani found out she is pregnant. She is thrilled. Rani found out she is pregnant. She is elated. These are the words we can use instead of very happy. Overjoyed, thrilled, elated. Another word we commonly use is very sad. Use a better and meaningful way to say that you are sad. Here, heartbroken, devastated, disappointed, dejected. These are the words which means you are very sad. Instead of using the same word, that is the boring word very sad, you can use heartbroken, devastated, disappointed, dejected. See the example here. Her husband just left her. She is very sad. Her husband just left her. She is very sad. You can use heartbroken to say that you are very sad. Her husband just left her. She is heartbroken. If you are very sad with shock, you can use the word devastated. Her husband just left her. She is devastated. Means you are very sad and shocked. Rahul looked very sad. This is a boring sentence we often use in our conversation. Very sad. He had been so confident that he would win the cup, but then he came second. So he was very sad. Instead of using the word very sad, that is Rahul looked very sad, you can say Rahul looked disappointed. Rahul looked dejected. Dejected means sadness and he lost hope. You are sad and you lost your hope. You can use the word dejected. Here is some more vocabulary you can use instead of the word very sad. That is ashamed, crestfallen, melancholy. Use them accurately with the appropriate verbs and prepositions. Use them according to the context because there is a slight difference in meaning. Next, very good. You can replace very good with amazing, fantastic, fabulous, magnificent, wonderful, splendid, exceptional, excellent. See the example here. It's a very good idea. Instead of very good, you can use it's a marvelous idea. It's an excellent idea. The teacher thought my performance was very good. My performance was exceptional. The teacher thought my performance was exceptional. Here we have replaced very good with exceptional. Exceptional means very good. My performance was amazing. My performance was excellent. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you find this video very informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.